Hi, this is Group 3. Now we are going to show a demo of our project, Machine Learning Benchmarking. I'm going to give a demo step by step, so let's get started. So our first step is to start our server, which sends the trained model. So I'm going to start this server. So it's starting now, and now it is started. Now our next step is to start our application. Also I would like to mention this server is hosted on a different machine, so we are viewing it through TeamViewer. And now I'll start my application. Okay, so the application is started now. So in the application we can select one or more classifiers. We have naive Bayes, random forest, logistic regression and support vector machines. So I'll select all of them, and then we'll receive the models for all of them. So to select the training data, we can partition it according to any percentage that we'll want to. So I'll keep it 65, and for the SVM we have parameters, sorry, not parameters, the kernel option as RBF and poly, so I'll keep it as RBF. And in logistic regression we can set the parameters for number of iterations. I'll set it to 100. Similarly for random forest we have parameters for number of iterations and number of seeds, so I'll make it 102. Now if I click on this, click to view benchmark results, it will send a request to our server and it will send a trained model back to the application. So now let's check if the request has been received on the server or not. So these toasts are displaying our results, but first let's check if the server received a request or not. So as you can see, the server received the request for random forest and naive Bayes, logistic regression and support vector machines. These are the options that we set, -i 100 -s2. So this is the format in which we are sending the options. And after training the data, after training the models, it sends the response, and this is the order for the response. So which is not necessarily same as the requests are received. Now let's get back to the application and see our results. So these are the results. First model is random forest, and it's these are the metrics that we had to show according to the assignment, project specification. So we have 97% accuracy for random forest, and this is the total training time, 1.683, and total testing time. Similarly for naive Bayes we have all these metrics, and then accuracy it's 94, and total training time is 3.8383, and testing time is 0.054 seconds. Similarly for all of the other classifiers that we have selected, we have all the things that we receive. So that's it. This is our also one last point, to view the log file. So we are also logging all of the steps that we are doing. So let's check the log file. This is the log file. So we mentioned our partition as 65. So this contains all the model names and accuracies, and we selected 65 as our partition, so that's the same thing which is mentioned here. Alright, so this is all about our project. Thank you.